Meaning of further education.
Further education.
Further education.
Further education.
Further education. Further education refers to any learning or training undertaken after secondary education. It includes courses, apprenticeships, and vocational training that aim to develop skills and knowledge beyond the level achieved in compulsory education. Further education can lead to qualifications such as NVQs, techs, diplomas, and certificates. It can also provide opportunities for personal development and career progression. Ultimately, further education allows individuals to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to pursue their desired career paths, boosting their employability and contributing to their personal growth and development.